today is something that's near and dear to my heart. How do we expand our wardrobe possibilities without spending way too much money and way too much time? And how can we wake up every morning, go into our closet, and see everything organized and beautiful and in order and have endless possibilities to look good and feel great? Well, the secret is tried and true capsule collection dressing. Not only does it work if you're home, but will also work when you're away, because you can learn how to pack in a carry-on, which I'm going to teach you in another video later on. But for today, let's concentrate on this. So, how do we create a wardrobe capsule? Very simple. The first thing we do is we pick a neutral. People think that neutral has to be black or white. No, a neutral can be any color that you select, that you love, that makes you look good and feel good, and then you can mix and match with other colors that are complementary. So today I picked my favorite color, which is pink. You couldn't tell, right? So here we go. I start with this fabulous jacket. Love, love, love this jacket. And I am pairing it with a great pair of slacks. So there it is. And why do I love this? Because it's seasonless. You can wear this at least 3 seasons of the year, or if you live in the Sun Belt, you can wear it all year round. Now, if we have this beautiful jacket and this beautiful pair of slacks, we need to be able to pair it with something. So I am pairing it with a beautiful neutral first. So this is look number 1. Slacks, neutral blouse, outfit number 1. Now, you can wear it without the jacket, and that's outfit number 2. Now let's say I just want to change my blouse. Here I go. Another neutral white blouse. Beautiful. I can wear it with or without the jacket. That's 3 and 4. Now, let's see. I want to pair it with this beautiful, beautiful pattern. Now, while we're talking about pattern, I want to mention a couple things. The smaller the pattern, the smaller the figure. So in order to wear a complementary pattern for your body physique, if you're a petite, thin, then a small pattern is going to be best for you. If you're tall and larger, then you want to pick a pattern that's proportionate to your body, a little larger pattern. So for me, this is a great pattern because I'm small, even though I'm tall. For a larger gal, I would like a little better, bigger all over pattern. So that's a great outfit with the slacks. Perfect, perfect. You can wear it, the blouse, without the jacket, another great outfit. Or if you want to have the effect of a dress, but the versatility of the skirt, you pair it with this. Such a pretty, pretty little outfit. Goes just like this. I just love it. Now let's say, for now, you're done with the jacket and you want a dress effect. So now you're going to go from day to evening, or maybe you're going to go from day to weekend. My jacket is fighting with me here, so okay, we'll eventually win. There we go. So now we have a beautiful, beautiful dress effect with a skirt. Another great outfit. Now we can also pair this pretty blouse with this skirt. Yet another outfit. Another thing we can do is, if you like a little cap sleeve but you prefer no sleeve, you can introduce this. This is a great, great blouse. Lots of pretty frills, and I just love the way it looks together. Bouncy, feminine, sexy, springy, and still something that you can wear to work. Now, sometimes, especially if you live in Florida or where the air conditioning is blasting, you always, always want to have a sweater. I picked a really neutral beige sweater because it goes with everything, but you could do beige, you can do black, you can do cream, you can do pink, but always have a sweater with you because you just never know when you might get chilly. Now, we're going to expand that wardrobe ever so slightly. I'm going to put away the skirt for now. And what am I going to do? I am going to introduce black. Black is a staple in all of our wardrobes. So here we go. Totally different look. Very sophisticated, very grown up. Adds a little extra to us. Lengthens our legs by wearing this black. And look what's going to happen. I am going to go back and bring back this wonderful jacket. Great, fabulous, love it. Again, we can pair it with floral blouse. We can pair it with a white blouse. We can pair it with a cream stretchy blouse, another great look. Or we can introduce a black blouse. Now I want to show you something about what we call column dressing. We all want to look taller and slimmer. It's just the way we are. And a way that we do that is by creating an optical illusion with the colors and the styles that we wear. Whenever we put a dark interior, so we have a dark slack and a dark top, we narrow the visual field for the people that are looking at us. And all of a sudden we're 10 to 20 pounds thinner looking, because what did we do? We put a contrasting color on the outside and we put a column on the inside that's narrow appearing, and we look longer and leaner when we do that. It's called color blocking, and it works regardless of whether you're doing day wear, evening wear, real casual, or real dressy. It's really the secret sauce. Now, another great outfit is just a pair of heels. You've got a great little thing going on here. I love it, and I love this little bow here. Put a pair of heels on, put a pair of little booties on, and you have a great little to-go outfit. We're going to lose the black blouse for now, and I'm going to introduce this beautiful pattern blouse. Isn't this gorgeous? Very dressy. This goes from day to evening without even thinking about it. You can take off your flats, put on a heel, change your accessories, and there you go. Another thing that we can do with this, which I think is beautiful, is we can reintroduce your pink jacket. Voila. Very, very pretty, totally different look. Effortless dressing. You don't have to think about it, which is the key to success some mornings. Now let's say we want another dress effect. Look how pretty this is. I love this little skirt. It's feminine, it's fun, it's sweet. It's got a little see-through slit here, nothing too crazy. Again, beautiful for an afternoon, beautiful for dinner, beautiful for a Sunday, a brunch. Just lovely, lovely, lovely. And again, we can always reintroduce the pink jacket. The pink jacket with this is going to be beautiful. Again, effortless dressing. There we go, pretty jacket. We put that skirt on. We're creating an illusion in the center. It just works really, really well. We can also use that black skirt with a simple black top or the simple cream top, and now we have 4 more outfits. Another thing that we can do is do a knit top. This looks great right here. You can do this with a pink pant. You can do this with a black pant. It looks terrific. It's effortless. Now, something that I haven't introduced before, but I'm going to right now, is a black jean. Look what a great outfit that is. Black, slender icing in the center because I've created a column, brought the attention of our eye to our shoulders, narrowing everything. Terrific for day to evening. We can also take our jean and we can reintroduce any of these beautiful tops that we've already discussed, and yet more great outfits. We can throw on your sweater. We have a great, great weekend look. Beautiful. Now, with your black jean, you can also reintroduce any of these terrific blouses. Totally different look, casual, chic, fun, great for a middle of the week dinner out with your friends or a happy hour, and yet you can still get away with it probably at work. So I love my jeans. Now, another thing that we can do is do, and by the way, ladies, I like skinny jeans. I know they're not always in fashion, but they're always in fashion for me. Why? Because a skinny jean elongates your leg and it narrows the visual field of the viewer. So even the tallest of girls, when they wear these big wide pants, it's really not the most flattering for their figure, in my opinion. But a skinny jean, well proportioned, always looks great. Here, enter a great skinny jean. Now, I happen to find this wonderful little blouse. I think this is so cute. We could wear it like this. It looks great. Fun, fun, fun for the weekend. But check this out. I can easily introduce this pink jacket into the mix. What a great little outfit you've got. You've got a great little t-shirt. Throw that jacket over it. The key here is the colors. The colors have to blend in order for the capsule to work. But look how cute this is. Et voila, I love this. Then you throw a little jean underneath it. Couldn't be better. It's a great outfit for day. You get casual evening, change your pants, you go right from work to play. I just love this. It's fun, it says something about your personality, and yet it's effortless, just effortless. Love, 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 love. Or, if you don't want to do the jacket, you can always throw on your sweater. Keeps you warm. So ladies, we have now worked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces. What's missing here? Our shoes. But when you work with a capsule collection, shoes become easy peasy. You can have a neutral shoe. You can do a black shoe. You can do a beige shoe. I would do one of each, one flat, one strappy sandal or pump, and always a great sneaker, because you always want to have a great sneaker when you're doing the jeans, black or neutral sneaker. This packs effortlessly. It looks great on you. Remember, column, solid in the middle, contrasting, tall, slender. The look of a dress, but with 2 pieces, which gives you maximum versatility. You wear a skirt and a blouse. This jacket is key for all of these looks. You don't feel like the jacket, you throw on the sweater. Here, I have given you at least 40 options for feeling great and looking terrific and always being on your A game. Enjoy!